Hedwig's taking a bath in BeBe's bowl. And Pigwidgeon's just getting the after effects of the splash. What are you doing, woman? You gonna go next, Pigwidgeon? You gonna take a bath? You need a bath, dude. No? You're just gonna stare at it? Alright. Oh, maybe? Oh, you're just drinking. Aw, Pigwidgeon. You too tired to take a bath? It looks like, take a bath. Dude, come on. For real. Don't make me splash you. Oh my word. Guess she wasn't done. Oh my goodness, it's like a violent affair. Oh, good Pigwidgeon. That's a good Pigwidgeon. Guess she convinced you, huh? You stink? Done? Well, that was good.